How about a 2-pack? Gonna throw that in, a 2-pack. Well, expiring price, first day presented low. Price will go up at the end of the day. Here is the essentials. It's a 2-pack swing top. Look at how cute that is. Heavenly jersey, we're gonna talk about that. V neckline, 90 poly, 4 span, 26 to 32 inches. Ah, heavenly jersey. It's so heavenly soft. All right, here is the 2 colors that you're gonna get. You're gonna get 2 of these. So here is white wisteria. So you're getting both of these. Long sleeve V-necks. There is navy gold, navy and gold. Here is camel dark green. And then do we have some more colors? Here we go. Gray redwood. Last call on gray redwood. Yep. Black new stone. Jackie, the new stone that you're looking at, how does that compare to the white?
Has a little bit of vanilla, like a cream in it. Like it has a tint of like a yellow undertone.
Okay. And can I
Does that
also
make
say the white is almost like a little natural color too, because it's not like an optic
Yes.
white. Just letting you guys know on that. Okay, Jackie, talk to me about heavenly
Exactly.
jersey, please.
Love our heavenly jersey, polyester rich, roll it up in a ball, scrunch it up as much as you want. You will not have one single wrinkle. Spandex for extra stretch, so it feels like it's a Hachi fabric. It's a cut and sewn sweater, actually, fine gauge. So very lightweight, but keeps you cool to the touch and soft on the skin.
I love a V-neck. These are, you know, part of the essentials line. Why do we call it essentials, Jackie?
To me, this is your canvas piece, like Gary would say. You wear this as is, or you dress it up with some jewelry, a hanging necklace, some chandelier earrings, and it looks completely different. What I love about this silhouette is, besides the V-neck, it's a swing, right? So it's semi-fitted on the top, and it kind of flares out on the bottom, and it moves with your body. So has a nice, you know, fit to it. And because of that polyester, you can see how fluid this garment is, and it feels great. I love these. I wear them all year round. I know people are like, oh, you don't wear this in the summer. Oh yes, I do. Especially when I'm in the air conditioning. Yeah, exactly. Look how pretty that looks together. And you're getting 2. Normally one would be around $42. So you're getting 2.
And then I'm taking just, you know, I'm splitting this up. So this one was called the white wisteria. But, you know, when we say like essential piece, you know, you got an open cardigan like this. What are you wearing underneath? You need something like this, and great colors too. But whether it's a kind of a basic color, you know, there it is. There's your 2 pieces right there, right?
Pretty.
So that's really pretty. And don't worry, the jacquard's going to be coming up. So there is white wisteria. You're getting both of those, and just a great kind of layering piece by itself or separately. Here is the navy gold. Navy gold. There is the camel dark green. Camel dark green. Those are really pretty colors, and I don't see that color combination too often. And then here is the black new stone, and she said the new stone is a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more creamy color.
Like a vanilla cream.
Is that last call or something? Last call on the gray redwood. That gray is very pretty, Jackie.
Oh, the gray is so pretty. It's like a light gray, and the redwood's gorgeous. It's like a rust, like orange, like a claywood color.
Don't tempt them too much because it is last call, friend. That's what happens on QVC too, right, Jackie? You know,
yes,
you
our savvy shoppers.
Yes, you work on QVC and QVC2. What happens on QVC2 is a lot of, you know, things are on sale price. We have a lot of bundles. We have a lot of buy more, save more. But what happens is then your price, you know, your pieces go away, the colors go away, the sizing goes away. And then sometimes I'm like texting Jackie going, all right, fine, I'll just have to get an extra small because I can't, like, it's gone, right? Thank you for that information on that jacquard cardigan that's going to be coming up as well. But yeah, like, talk to them a little bit more about heavenly jersey. Let me See if I could put maybe this color up because I don't see this color too often.
I love that color combo.
Yeah.
The beautiful green is like an emerald, like a jewel tone.
Camel
So
dark
pretty.
green.
And brown is not going anywhere, all shades of brown, because the Mocha Mousse Pantone of the year. So that's so pretty. But our Heavenly jersey really does feel so soft and comfortable. It's drapey. You're not going to overheat in it. Machine wash, tumble dry low. And I say this every time. I sound like a broken record, but it reminds me of the swaddle blankets that I would wrap my daughter in, because
soft.
that's how soft this feels.
Do we have any model shots to see how it looks on? Because this one has a little bit of a swing, right?
Yep.
So
You
we're
can
looking
see
at
there,
Jill.
it has a swing. Yep. Jill, it's semi-fitted, and you could see how it swings out, a little bit flares out. So like an A-line, but it has a swing to it, which is really nice. And because of the polyester, it's very fluid on the body.
So, you could tuck it in, but it's so cute enough with a little bit of that swing to just like leave out as well, right?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you could tuck it in. I don't recommend that,
Right.
to
I
be
prefer to
honest.
take it out.
I prefer it out. That's the whole look of it. It's a
Right.
little swing top there. And also it's nice because it hides, like, if you're self-conscious about your tummy area, it
Yeah.
completely hides that,
Yeah.
which is nice.
So if you have a
So
little
I like
extra
that.
servings on your buffet.
Exactly.
Are you a big
Exactly.
buffet girl, Jackie?
No.
Really? Oh my God, don't even get me
No.
started.
Are
I was
you?
such a foodie. And then I used to live a little closer to Vegas because I'm from LA. And we would go to Vegas and we would do the buffet. How about you, Emma? Are you a buffet girl? I would get 5 plates at a time. You don't think I eat, but I'm a big eater.
I was going to say, I don't
Oh,
think you're getting 5.
I do. My husband gets so mad at me. Camel dark green. He's like, can you please finish your plate before you get the other one? Silly goose. Here is white wisteria. So the colors inside. Here is dark navy gold, and then a couple other black new stone, 3 dozen remaining, and gray redwood sold out. We got a lot of sellouts on our show, Jackie.
Wow.
Willie, come on. Willie says that tomorrow's National Peanut Butter Day.